I just started painting a 3D printed Gamak miniature when my Vallejo package arrived. I told the awesome people at Vallejo that I'm down to my last bottle of Mecha matte varnish. I have been using polyurethane matte varnish, Vallejo matte varnish, not the Mecha matte varnish, for the past couple of months, and I gave this last bottle of Mecha matte varnish to my daughter Nico for her gunpla work. Since I did not check the list emailed to me of the contents of this package, this is a semi-mystery box. Hi, I'm Don. Welcome to my studio. Obviously, I still have a lot of Vallejo paints, but I like to have like a backup bottle because I don't like running out of a specific color or paint when I'm working on a project. The first small box are Vallejo gloss varnishes, which are awesome. I only received like the 60 ml sizes before, and I use a lot of gloss and matte varnishes in my projects. The second box is another box of gloss varnish, Mecha gloss varnish. So basically, Vallejo sent me like 12 200 ml gloss varnishes. Vallejo also sent me a couple of boxes of 200 ml matte varnishes. Now I have a varnish for all my projects for I think at least the whole year. I have a ton of videos on how to use the Mecha varnishes. I'll put the link below. Basically, you thin varnishes 1:1 with thinning sauce or even water. Water will work. So basically, you double the amount of varnishes that you have. So if I have 24 bottles of 200 ml varnishes, I basically have 48 200 ml varnishes. Vallejo also sent me a 60 ml bottle of the Mecha Black Primer. This primer is the best primer that Vallejo has. Thus, it's kinda rare and they only sent me one bottle. I also requested a tube of plastic putty, which is awesome, especially for 3D print miniatures. You could like clean up the 3D prints and of course fill up the gaps. I also requested this set of transparent paints. I'll use this set in one of my future videos. We'll do value sketching and then we'll paint it over with transparent paints. Not with inks, not with washes, just with transparent paints. These are very powerful paints and could do a lot of techniques or like look with using these paints, and I'll show that in a future video. Although I'm thinking of like doing value sketching video first using the black and white set, which is really nice, and then after the value sketching we'll use these transparent paints to glaze over colors and do color glazing. So if you like painting with Vallejo paints, do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'm looking forward to another comment telling me that this video is a Vallejo commercial. Last but not the least, the Mecha color set, the full set. I really needed this set because I do have a lot of like the pink colors, the most used colors. Vallejo sent me like 12 bottles of pink, 12 bottles of green, 12 bottles of black, and all those colors. But I'm running low on the washes and the weathering paints. I'm also running low with the fluorescent paints. And so Vallejo sent me another set. The Mecha weathering colors or paints are really good, but you'll notice that I don't use them so much on my miniature painting because again, I'm reserving them for gunpla work. Now I was surprised that the Decal softener is a new formula. It's now water-based because the old one is alcohol-based. I really like the alcohol-based. It really softens the decal, but I'm really curious on this new water-based Decal softener. I cannot recommend the Mecha colors enough. These are awesome colors, awesome paints, especially for airbrushing, and they're the most durable paint range in any of the Vallejo ranges, and also I think they could be the most durable acrylic paints in the market today. You'll get the usual Zaco green, Charles pink, and a few primers. You'll also get the weathering paints and also some varnishes and even thinner. Basically, this is a complete set and you could start painting with just this set. Now back to painting my miniature because I need a video soon. That's it, Pansit. That's it, we're done. I hope you liked the video. Do like, comment, subscribe, and consider joining the channel so that you'll be part of our Discord community. Saludos!